In March 2023, police officers were called to a residence after a domestic dispute was reported. What began as a family argument quickly escalated into a tense encounter, with officers trying to de-escalate the situation and understand what had triggered the conflict.
Tirsa, we need to talk to you.
No, I don't want to talk.
Well, can you come out into the hallway and talk to me?
I don't want to talk. Get him out. Get me. Why? I'm out.
Tirsa, we need to talk about what's going on.
I have what's in my head. I don't want to talk to you. Don't say that. Sorry. I'll put it down.
Jesus Christ.
Paddle.
Tirsa, can you tell me what's going on tonight?
Oh, I want a restraining order against that woman right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna go downstairs.
Yeah,
Yeah, do that, please. Oh my God, thank. We're all good. I seriously don't live here anymore. Officer, try anything at all, and your job is gone.
Okay,
Sorry. I really don't want you in my room.
Well, you can either come downstairs and talk to me, or I'm just going to
Okay, you
stay
can
here.
just stand there. I'll make the rest of my Easter baskets.
Okay. So what happened with the paddle?
That's my weapon now. Because no one trusts me with a gun. I've always had a paddle, bro.
I know, but what were you doing with the paddle tonight?
I was just holding it, and people felt threatened by that.
Were you raising it at anybody or anything?
No, I put it like this. You know, like what you do when you're about to swing it back.
Yeah.
Because that's how you use a paddle if you ever need to use it in self-defense. Because I literally thought, well, those motherfuckers are going to try to put their hands on me.
So what started it tonight?
That's exactly what started it. Like, actually, when I tell you my triggers and then you guys blatantly ignore my boundaries, when I tell you not to come home and then you still come home.
Why did you tell her not to come home?
Because she's one of my triggers, bro. Why do people not believe that when they say it about their mothers?
So it was your mom that came home and set you off?
Yes.
Okay, how did she set you off? Just being here? Did she say anything?
Just by being here, because I told her not to talk to me, and she blatantly ignored that.
Okay. What did she try to talk to you about tonight?
It doesn't matter anymore. Actually, why are you here?
Because we got called here.
By who?
I'm not sure.
By my brother?
Maybe, I don't know.
So how do I, dismiss you? Kindly.
Until we complete our investigation, I mean...
So I just have to answer all your stupid questions?
Well, you don't have to, but I would like you to, so we can figure out what's going on.
Okay. Go. I'm ready.
So what all started it tonight? We're just going to start from the beginning. What started it tonight?
Well, I hadn't slept, and at 9 a.m. I got a call that they want me to go on Too Hot to Handle. Probably. But I want to go on The Bachelor instead.
Okay.
So, actually, reality TV show, I'm not going on that. Everyone, actually.
So, at what point did you pick up the paddle?
I don't even remember, honestly, because when people drive me crazy, I do crazy things, and then they get confused why I'm acting so crazy.
Okay. So what was what did she do that made you pick up the paddle?
Walk towards me.
She walked towards you?
Yeah, because they were trying to take away the scissors out of my room like a 6-year-old and take away the paddle and this and that. Like, I'm 5. No, I'm 20 years old.
Mm-hmm.
I am 20 years old. I am less than a year away from the legal drinking age, and they're not letting me go back to my college campus?
Mm-hmm. Where do you go to college?
I'm sorry, I don't agree with that.
I understand. Where do you go to college at?
I go to the University of Alabama, and I want to go back.
Okay.
I'm a governor there. I have to do shit.
Mm-hmm. I understand.
Like, I'm on student government. I have to do shit. I missed, one of the most important meetings of my life tonight because I was here.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to watch it on live while they're announcing my name as congrats and I'm board on governor. So these 14 people. Like, I'm one of them, and I'm not there.
Mm-hmm. I understand.
I don't even know who the other governors are. Like, I seriously don't know who they are, but I need to figure out who they are so I can ask them if anyone else has been treating them like shit.
I understand.
Because either people have sucked my or treated me like shit out of this whole entire experience, getting baptized, getting casted on reality TV shows, Drake wanting to meet me, like Ariana Grande wanting to meet me. I'm sorry, what?
Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah, it is. And I'm tired of these people that aren't listening to me.
I understand. So where were you at when you picked up the paddle? Or was it in here? Was it downstairs? Or
Do you want me to move the paddle?
It's fine if you just want to leave it there. I'm fine with that.
Do you want to move the paddle? You can put it in my closet.
We'll get to that here in a minute. Just show me where you were at whenever you picked it up.
Okay, well, I'm not going to swing at you if you're wondering about that.
So was your mom doing anything that made you feel afraid or...
I don't like feeling restricted or controlled. That's why I am quote-unquote hard to control or quote-unquote too hot to handle.
Okay.
I didn't sign up for that show. Someone else signed me up for it.
I gotcha. So then she was just trying to control you and stuff, and you didn't want to be controlled, so she came in here, and that's when you picked up the paddle.
Yeah.
Okay. And you put it on your shoulder, like you were going to swing it or something?
Yeah, but I wasn't going to do... I'll show you exactly in very slow motion.
Just don't pick it up. Just show me.
Okay.
Like with your...
Well, like, I, picked it up, and then I went like this. Okay. That's my stance. Like, when I feel threatened, I never pick up that paddle like that. Like, if I ever actually feel threatened, which is, like, not very much, I'll pick it up, like, right here. Mm-hmm. Because, like, these things are handy. My big got me this. She painted it and everything. It's supposed to be decor.
It looks pretty.
It's decor, but I told her if I ever need to use it for self-defense, I will. And then all my friends started telling me they've used their paddle to hit people. Intruders. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, for an
As officers spoke with the young woman, she admitted to picking up a paddle, claiming it was for self-defense. She felt her boundaries were ignored, and her emotions spiraled when her mother came home despite her objections. What followed was a heated exchange, where family members felt threatened, and police had to carefully balance safety with compassion while questioning her.
I went to go hug my brother, actually, because he's the only person that was listening to me, and he was literally scared of me, so...
Okay. All right, and then did everybody leave, or what happened after that?
No, they did not leave. After I said, I hate you, get the f*** out of my room. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. I hate you, get the f*** away from me, get the f*** out of my room. Okay. I said it like 85 times, like screaming at the top of my lungs, and like, thank you for getting them the f*** away from me.
Absolutely. So did anybody make any threats or anything?
Yes, a lot of people have been making threats.
What were those threats?
I don't know, because they don't post them like I do. Well, I've never posted a threat.
I was talking about here between you and your family.
I don't know. My family could want me dead, and I just wouldn't know it.
Okay.
People want you dead nowadays. It's f***ing crazy. It's all the wants my call.
I got you. Well, alrighty. If you don't mind, just hanging out here with my partner. I'll go talk to the rest of your family, and then
sit in this chair.
We'll go from there.
My life.
So is this a voice recording?
Yeah.
You care if I just hang out?
We're gonna get you the help that you need. No, you're not. No, you're not. Who's gonna help you? I already found my help. Who's your help? Not you. No. Why do you care? Out of my way! Oh my God! I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't want you. I don't care about you anymore.
What happened with the paddle?
Swinging that paddle like she's gonna take us out.
She was? If that's the case, and she's making stuff like that, one thing that we can do is, she's 20 years old. If she's swinging a paddle and you got it on video or something, we can charge her with simple assault.
But then that becomes a domestic violence thing, right?
Yes, but what I'm getting at is we have the authority to do a 1013 in lieu of charges.
Well, probably like a month ago.
Alright, so just kind of give you where we're at, okay?
Mm-hmm. We're not!
So you can either
No, who's the doctor? No. Okay. No. I'm saying no. I'm saying no. I'm saying no.
Get on your stomach.
No.
Get on your stomach.
No. I'm saying no. Please. I'm saying no. I literally said no. And you guys are hearing it, and you guys are not my
witnesses. I don't have a choice.
I know you don't have a choice, but that doctor did, and my mom did, and I hate her. Take me to jail. 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 Please, please.
Listening to you, but
I know.
Alright, come on.
This is a really bad idea. This is a really, really, really bad idea.
All right, let's walk down the stairs.
No, I'm not going. 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 I'm saying no. Like, can you say no in this country? Can you say no in this country?
Come on.
This country, I'll move to Europe and never come back. No, I'm saying no. I'm saying no. I'm saying no. I'm saying no.
In the end, the woman was charged with simple assault and resisting arrest.
The woman was
The case
charged with
highlights
simple
how
assault
quickly
and
domestic
resisting
disputes can
arrest.
escalate, and how
Thanks
law
for watching
enforcement
today's
must
video. If you
navigate
haven't
volatile
already,
emotions to
please
prevent
like and
situations
subscribe
from
for more
turning
of our
more
content.
dangerous.